wa- wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hasna Nafisa. People usually call me Hasna. Now, I'm from 7B. Now, I want to little bit explain about game Plappy Bird. So, this game I make alone using Bleedbox. So the first, I want to explain about the asset title. So this, I have the bird, I have background, ground, peep, peep, to this part peep down, and then this part peep up. So this, the point are little, I using point to little tangle. I make the little tangle invisible. Visible. So, I want to explain about the bird first. The bird is character, and then this object, yeah. So, this the code of bird. There is star animation. This animation for the bird can fly like this. So, and then touch, and then jump, then and then keyboard button is for what? For make the bird can jump, and then jump the using, if the bird can one jump, you just click spacer, keyboard button spacer, and then next the bird can jump to, if you touch the bird can, and then this move of course for the, oh, the bird can move, and then if collide like if touching, for example, if touching the beef up or down, this for if touching the rectangle will be get 1 point, and then this if touching enemy or pep up and pep down, um, will be divided. The enemy is, the enemy is this ground, pip down, and pip up. So, next, this for the bird divide. Or sound like game over. So, this for the game at point. At how to the bird at point. So, if the bird touching the rectangle, so this the rectangle is, if touching this, the bird will get point, but this one is invisible. If you play the game, you cannot see this, the rectangle. So if you touch, you will get the point. So next, this screen. I wanna explain the screen. The star, then this UI screen. If you start, the first screen is like this, play favorite, and then if you wanna play the game, you just click start. uh, the start I make with navigation button. So after that, this I make text or this default font. Next, go to the, if you click the star, you will go to the word. What is the reward? This. This the reward. And then if you already got two rewards, and then this there is again the ice cream. This for score. The score will show in here. So next, again go to your ice cream game over screen. Now this there is game over the text. Actually, this is image, and then this is text, and then this is for show the score. This I'm using this, and then this score I using this too, but I just change the text to score. So next, but if this I not add the text, but this the function I change to score, not text. So I just that, and then I wanna play the game. Like this, like this. Anyway, in game over in game over screen there is like button for restart again or play the game again, like that. This. So it first so long. This, if you want to play the game, you just click start and then play. You just click space. Yeah, repeat. Then there is in here there is rectangle. Maksudnya there is, but I make the rectangle is invisible, so cannot see, can cannot use it. So I just said, wait. If you want restart the game or repeat the game, want to play again, but you already game over, you just click this. So this. If touch it, the rectangle get point. Okay, just need it. Uh, Thank you for watching this video. Sorry, I have many mistakes.